Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I've been playing a lot of League of Legends recently, and since I'm a support and jungle main, this is one of my favourite things that I've ever made. So I thought I'd make an old style support ward. This is a long overdue request, and if there are any popular ward skins that you'd like me to recreate, make sure to let me know and I'll add it to my list. Here's a list of everything you'll need. You can change the colours to turn it into a control ward or a pink ward if you still call it that like I do. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free in the description. Make sure to follow the key when you're cutting it out. Once you have it, cut out all of the pieces that you need. The first thing you need to do is to sew the gem. Using a blanket stitch, join two side pieces together along one of the angled sides. Then, along the longer top side, join another piece to the top so that both longer sides meet. Repeat this around the gem until you have 6 pieces with the angled sides joined and another 6 pieces above that. Then, begin joining the angled sides of the pieces above the pieces you've just sewn, and when you reach the top for each one, join it to the middle hexagon piece. Continue this until you have no open edges except for the bottom. When you're done, stuff the gem and leave it to one side for now. Take the yellow wings of the ward and on the sideward tracing, sketch out the 3 arc pattern on each one. Use this line to backstitch the detail on each wing. Then, with the tracing facing up, take 2 of the 4 and sew around the wing, leaving the straight side piece open. Repeat this with the second 2 pieces, and once you're done, flip them the right way up. I didn't stuff these as I felt they were fine on their own, but if you think yours needs more padding, definitely add some. Then take 2 brown pieces with the tracing facing up and place the ward wing inside the brown pieces so that the seam aligns with one side. Fold it in to keep it from getting caught on the other side of the seam, then sew the side together. Repeat this for the second side. Take the bottom circle piece and join it to the bottom of the ward. Once done, flip the lace the right way up and stuff it. Lastly, fold in the seam allowance of the base and a little bit of the gem and use an invisible stitch to join the gem to the base. And that is how you make a ward plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!